Tonight we are learning more about a Providence nurse who was murdered during a home visit last week. 56-year-old Douglas Brant is being remembered as someone who put others before himself, a talented musician and a man of faith. KREM 2's Kyle Simchuk spoke to those who knew Brant, who say they are shocked and devastated.
People like him in our community are really priceless, and we should really treasure these people.
Doug Brant spent nearly 20 years working for Providence, more recently as a home health caregiver. Last week, he was checking up on a woman who recently had a stroke when her grandson, who suffers from mental health issues, shot and killed him.
We found out when Doug's sister called us to let us know that something tragic had happened to Doug.
Kevin Wilfley was Doug's pastor at the Upper Columbia Academy Church outside of Spangle.
We spent some time this past weekend in our church service talking about why bad things happen, how to deal with them.
Doug had no wife or kids. He was very involved at the Seventh-day Adventist Church and worked the audio board during Saturday worship. And when he wasn't taking care of patients, he was teaching kids how to play guitar at the school operated by the church. He even let a student borrow one of his guitars days before his death, according to Vice Principal Charles Hartman.
He said, I was having problems with my guitar, so Doug lent me one of his guitars, and now what do I do with it? And, how do you answer that? What do you answer? They're not supposed to have to face this type of thing, We did have a short assembly to let them know just that we had lost Doug to an act of violence.
Doug's church is now left wondering how they'll honor the man who used his many talents to help others in life.
We should never take them for granted. Love the people in your family. Don't put off caring for them and the compliments that they need to hear, because you never know when you won't have that opportunity.
In Spokane, Kyle Simchuk, KREM 2 News.